Hello guys, I'm your trainer of Blender for Beginners. In this video, we are going to make a meeting. What meeting means? Like a meeting setup. Like in office, we sit on chairs and a big table has been there. Here, sorry. Okay, I'm going to make that setup only in Blender. Okay, in the previous video I made this chair. I'm going to delete no this, but I'm copying this. I'm copying here, 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 and here. Just see and do. Okay, I'm going to shift A, add and cube. Okay, it's come. So let's scale it like this. There. I'm not going to make that much bigger table, like a small meeting. Okay. So now its cube is like a steak. Let's duplicate it. Shift D for duplicating an object. Okay, let's do this. Okay, it's looking perfect. Some like this. No, this much longer. Okay. I want to move this chair on the gray. Let's duplicate these both. Okay. Slowly, 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 slowly. It's too big table. But normally, yes. Okay, add one cube and let's kill it, man. Okay, it's looking like an table. Wait, kill it. Okay. It's looking good. It's looking good. Okay, let's combine it. Shift. Okay, shift is my favorite. Control plus J to make an one object. Yeah. Okay, it's looking good. Now I'm going to put it down. Yes, it's looking good. You can come, my buddy. Uh, Wait. Okay, it's not bad. Let's duplicate it. Shift plus D. Mm, It's duplicated and rotate it in Z direction like this. Um, wow, yaar. It's too good. It's too good. कैसे कर लेता हूँ मैं? तो आप लोग भी सीखो अच्छा से. Yes, yes. Okay. ये थोड़ी उठ चुकी है तो मैं इसको थोड़ा ऐसे करूँगा. It's too bad now. Okay, 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 okay. I don't like rotating. Okay, it's good, but wait a second. Rotate some degree up. Like wait. Okay, like this. It's looking good, not bad. It's looking like. Oh wait, wait. Okay. Um, mm. Okay, it's not bad, but just moving ahead. It's light, not an object. Okay, it's good, good. Now you come and shift D. Now move this here and some here and rotate it some like this. How we rotate that? Wait, it's going wrong. Only blue on focus means Z direction is on the focus. Let's combine that. Okay, not bad. Okay, now shift D. Wait, it's control D, not shift D, sorry. Okay. It's over. Just blue on focus. Only blue. It's completed. Some combine. Mm. Not bad. And now we need to color this table. We are. Let's go to material. No, in render only. Render is good. Okay, what we do color like this. Some like this. Huh. It's perfect. Yes. It's good. Too good. So I will meet you in the next. So stay safe.